It's 140 acres big. You could put 100 football fields in it, and it's worth about $50 million. It's Delta's jet maintenance base in Atlanta. And this is Delta Airlines' new jet hangar, the largest cantilevered hangar in the world, where they service Delta's wide-ride 747s and DC-10s. It takes over 4,000 highly skilled professional people to run the base smoothly and efficiently. People like Mike Campbell, mechanic. He has 2 FAA licenses. He's worked on Delta's big jets for over 6 years and knows his job inside and out. Mike is one of 3,600 Delta mechanics who keep Delta's fleet of 176 jets flying. One of the 26,000 Delta professionals who measure up to even the biggest challenge. Next trip, fly Delta, the airline run by professionals. Delta is ready when you are.